The number one reason why a business owner will fail has nothing to do with their execution and has everything to do with their mindset. Selling digital products is a grind. Selling physical products, e-commerce, is also a grind. All of like drop shipping, which is probably the biggest, like the digital product that probably the most amount of people buy when it comes to learning how to make money online. The way you make money in drop shipping is you got to launch 100 products and you got to test like 500 ads. You just got to use graphic design and Canva and just make as many ads as possible and then test $5 a day, $5 a day, $5 a day on all these ads. It's everything's a grind. All of these businesses, there's not a single business model that isn't a grind. So I always like to say this. The number one reason why a business owner will fail has nothing to do with their execution and has everything to do with their mindset. Because their mindset and the mental blocks that they have is ultimately what paralyzes them from making good decisions. And good decisions is what scales a business, right? And I can see you have all of these limiting beliefs. I'll call them out as the way they are because they are. And hopefully you appreciate this. You thinking TikTok shop is a grind, therefore it's hard for people to get results with it. I'll tell you, that's every business model. That's every business model is hard, right? The fact that you say, it feels like such a sleazy, dirty space. If I make any movement, if I launch any type of product, if I charge money, if I charge a little bit more expensive product price point than anyone else, well, then I'm going to get criticized for the fact that I'm greedy or I'm sleazy. There's compared to other people where there's free information. No, you're giving value in a very particular way that's very unique in the marketplace. You deserve to get paid the premium price that you charge. Guess what? That type of criticism happens in every single industry that you go into. So, you might feel special snowflake. Oh man, there's stuff about my business model that's just so unique, about my industry that's unique. I'll tell you, yes, but also no, because everyone else in other industries, and maybe you just need to talk to someone from another industry, right? That can give you that outside perspective these are very normal.